Stop by and take a look at the 2008 RX 350. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.5-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 105,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, fog lights, braking assist. Inside you'll find airbags, driver, knee, cruise control, trip computer, electroluminescent instrumentation, cargo area 12-volt power outlet, child safety locks, power door locks, power steering, tachometer, airbags, passenger, occupant sensing deactivation. The RX 350 offers a driver-inspired design and intuitive technology that puts you in total control of your interior. Paired with a spacious cargo area and a powerful V6 engine, the RX 350 continues to offer the best combination of powerful performance and interior luxury in its class.